Welcome to Xrero HR and Payroll. Let's dive in. The UAE HR and Payroll module is where you keep your employee records, run monthly payroll, pay salaries through the wage protection system, WPS, manage leave, calculate end-of-service gratuity, and print the HR letters your staff ask for, all in line with UAE labor law and fully connected to your Xrero accounts. Every HR screen is reached from the menu bar at the top. The HR dashboard is your one-page operational view of the workforce. At a glance, you can see your headcount, the cost of this month's payroll, who needs attention, documents about to expire, leave to approve, and jump straight to the common tasks. The employee record is the heart of the module. It holds everything about a person, personal details, job, identification documents, and the bank/WPS details needed to pay them. Before adding many employees, it helps to set up your organization structure. The contract defines a person's employment terms and, most importantly for payroll, their salary package. Payslips read the contract to know the basic salary and allowances, and the end-of-service settlement reads it to calculate gratuity. A payslip is one employee's pay for 1 month. It pulls the salary package from the contract, adds any overtime or bonus, subtracts loan installments and unpaid leave, and shows the net pay. The Wage Protection System, WPS, is the UAE's mandatory way of paying salaries. A WPS batch collects the month's confirmed payslips and produces the SIF file, salary information file, you upload to your bank or WPS agent, plus a bank transfer letter. Record a loan or salary advance you give an employee, and the system deducts it automatically from future payslips until it is repaid. Leave management records time off and applies the correct UAE pay rule automatically. Annual, sick, maternity, parental, bereavement, and unpaid leave are all supported, and a leave's pay can be split across full pay, half pay, and unpaid exactly as the law requires. When an employee leaves, the end-of-service settlement calculates everything owed to them, gratuity and used leave, notice, and any other dues, minus loans and deductions, and produces a statement to sign. The Letters and Documents screen produces the official HR letters staff request on your company letterhead, ready to print or email. Lists employees whose visa, Emirates ID, passport, or labor card is expiring soon, so you can renew in good time. Leave types control how each kind of leave behaves. You can set the days per year, the pay rule, and, for tapering leave like sick leave, the days at 100%, 50%, and 0% pay, along with a legal reference and whether a medical certificate is required. Glossary of HR and Payroll terms. An employee is probably missing an IBAN or an identifier. Open the employee record, Chapter 4, add the IBAN, and generate the batch again. That is Xrero HR and Payroll. Start your free trial today.